Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the all-new Hypertherm Powermax 33 XP. So this unit is brand new to the market, just came out. It is replacing the Powermax 30 XP, but it does have a higher cut capacity. So in this video, we're going to go over its capabilities. We're going to use it. I got some thick aluminum, some thick steel, and some thinner stuff to cut as well. We're just going to try it on a variety of equipment. So let's just dive right into the machine. So what it comes with right out of the box, guns attached. So the 33 XP is brand new, but the gun is attached. The ground was attached. It has an adapter, so this thing will do 110, 220. I got it hooked up to 220, but you've got the 110 adapter in there too as well. Comes with a shoulder strap. And then obviously the owner's manual comes in there as well. On top of the whole box, it comes in, it's a nice small unit. And then some accessories that I like to show is just the Powermax XP kit, the Hypertherm kit with extra consumables. So you got your drag, all your shields, your freestanding shields, your nozzles, electrodes, swirl rings, that sort of thing. And then what we always like to sell are these air filtration kits by Hypertherm as well. Super nice. This, we highly recommend them because people get moisture in their air. This cuts the moisture out of the air. It'll strap right to the back of the machine. Super easy to put on. I got a video out there about it, so just check that one out. But to dive into the capabilities, so this unit, brand new, recommended cut capacity on it is 1/2 inch. It also will sever 3/4 of an inch. So max severance is 3/4 of an inch. Recommended cut's 1/2 inch. So if we remember what the 30 did, the older unit that's going away, it was recommended 3/8. So this does thicker material recommended wise. And then max severance on the old one was 5/8. This one does 3/4 of an inch. So pretty awesome. As far as the gun goes, it's still got the safety trigger. It's still got the Duramax LT torch on there. Consumables are a 5-piece set here, so not a sink on this unit, but you got your nozzle, your electrode, and your swirl ring all right in there. And then obviously we've got our drag shield and our retainer cap here. So super simple to put all together. I like these old 5-piece consumable kits because you can change out the electrode, the nozzle, if one of them goes bad. The sink system is awesome too, but this one does not have it. But we'll put that back on. And then you can see on the front of this unit, so I got an error code. I'm gonna clear that error by turning it back on and off. But what happened was when I pulled that off, it said, hey, your consumables are in the right place. We'll cycle power. There we go, the error code goes away. So 15 amps all the way to 33 amps is our max cut. On this side is your chart. So you got a blue line for 120. So you can cut up just above 25 amps on 120 volt, but you need a 20 amp breaker to run that. And then obviously we're plugged in the 240, so we got max power all the way. Thing is very, very simple to turn. It came out of the box like this. There was really anything I had to do. Didn't even have to put the air chuck on the back. I mean, I put my air hose on the back, but the air fitting on the back, I didn't even have to put it on there. So it came like that. Super nice right out of the box. Let's dive in here. We'll give this thing a chance to cut, see how it performs. All right, so I got my ground hooked up here and then my torch lead. So remember, the torch lead's already hooked up. It's 15 foot, so I got good accessibility. I can leave it on the table and I can go cut stuff 15 feet away. Super light. Torch is super light. Let's give this thing a shot. I got some 1/4 inch material and then I got some 1/2 inch material. So we're gonna try it on both. Yeah, super easy. Cut right through that. Really, really nice. I was going a little slow at the beginning there and then I picked it up so less dross, but super nice cut. Let's try it on this thicker 1/2 inch here. You can see on that too, 1/2 inch material, but cut right through it, no problem at all. I mean, that is awesome. And then the biggest test I like to do is run some aluminum. Sometimes other competitive machines struggle with the aluminum, but these Hypertherms I've never seen them struggle. So we got some heavy plate here. Let's try that. Yeah, no problem at all with that too. Some 1/4 inch aluminum there. Nothing. I mean, went right through it, no problem. And then heavy aluminum here. Let's try it. So that 1/2-inch aluminum, a little bit tougher to cut, but not bad, not a bad cut. I mean, that is probably at its maximum output on that heavier aluminum, but not bad at all for what it is. I mean, that is perfect. Nice little machine, priced right. Also, this unit has a 6-year warranty on it. So longest in the industry. Hypertherm backs their products really, really well. And obviously you can see they got that nice sticker on there. So this was engineered and assembled in the US. It's made here. It's got a 6-year warranty. Awesome company to deal with as far as when you do have to do warranty stuff, which is not very often. We don't get very many back under warranty. And when we do, it's usually operator error or something happened or it broke and it wasn't covered under warranty. So, but no, awesome little units. And then obviously down below we'll link all the stuff. There's some accessories that we have deals on for this unit. But check it out, we'll link the machine down below. If you guys got any questions, comments, or anything, please leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for some more.